from Mtech and Master Cutlery. This is item number M-A1020BTCS. Now this comes in many different models, different color schemes. The other models are BK, BKCS, BT, UC, TN, TNCS, and UCCS. Yes. Now the handle scales on this, rubberized ABS, very nice texture. It is an assisted opening knife, closed construction, lowrider pocket clip. I see it has an index flipper as the opener. Very nice, comes out very strongly, locks up securely with that liner lock. Now the blade length on this, 3 1/2 inches. This knife also comes with this nice lanyard you can attach through the lanyard hole with a nice little skull bead. That's a very nice extra touch. Nice. Now the blade itself, 3 1/2 inches of stainless steel with a combination edge. Very strong drop point construction. That's overall just a nice handy little pocket knife. Good grip, wide for bigger guy hands. Overall, nice little pocket knife from Mtech and Master Cutlery.